Students, in this session, we are going to see the effect of dielectrics on various parameters. That means a parallel plate capacitor is charged by a battery and which is then disconnected. That means when the capacitor is charged fully, so the battery is switched off. After that, a dielectric slab is then inserted in between the plates of the capacitor. So what will be the change in charge, electric field, potential and capacitance energy stored in the parallel plate capacitor after the dielectric slab is inserted? So very clear. The capacitor is charged and the battery is switched off, then only the dielectric slab is inserted. So before the dielectric slab is inserted, the charge is Q0 which is equal to C0 V0. So this not 0, suffix 0 represents that there is no dielectrics in the parallel plate capacitor. So charge Q is equal to CV, Q0 is equal to C0 V0. So C0 capacitance which is equal to Q0 by V0. So electric field is E is equal to V by D. So E0 which is equal to V0 by D. So V0 which is equal to E0 into D. Also we know the formula for energy stored in the capacitor U0 which is equal to 1 by 2 C0 V0 square. That means usual formulas we are taken, but we are put the suffix 0, that means a not, that represents there is a no dielectrics is present in the capacitor. Now the dielectric slab is inserted after the battery switch on. That is a situation we are initially considered. So battery, after the battery switch off, the dielectric slab is inserted. So that is after the battery switch off, dielectric slab is inserted means there is a no change in charge. So the charge will be as it is a Q0 only because the battery is switched off. Then what is the change in electric field? The change in electric field E is equal to E0 by K. K is a dielectric constant of the dielectric slab. So for any dielectric, there is a dielectric constant K. So when the dielectric slab is inserted after the battery switch off inside the capacitor, so the electric field, new electric field which is equal to the old electric field, that is the electric field before the dielectric slab is inserted divided by K. So what is the potential difference? So V is equal to E into D. So the potential difference after the dielectric slab inserted is equal to the electric field after the dielectric slab inserted into thickness of the capacitor. That is a gap between the two parallel plate capacitor. This gap is a first plate and second plate. This gap is a D. So what is a E? E is equal to E0 by K. E0 by K into D. So we get E0 into D which is equal to V0. That is V0 which is equal to E0 into D. Then we have to substitute instead of E0 into D, V0 by K. Hence the new potential difference after the dielectric slab is inserted is V0 by K. So what about the capacitance? The capacitance formula is C is equal to Q0 by V. So Q0 is here. So we have to substitute this V, this change in potential difference after the dielectric slab is inserted, that equation here. We get V0 by K. So K will come to the numerator. So Q0 by V0 into K. K is a dielectric constant. So Q0 by V0 which is equal to C0. That is the change in the effect of dielectric capacitance in the dielectric slab is equal to K times the capacitance before the dielectric slab inserted. So what about the change in energy stored? The energy stored formula is 1 by 2 C V squared. So C is a capacitance after the dielectric slab is inserted. V is a potential difference after the dielectric slab is inserted. So both the equations we are arrived earlier. Just to substitute this, C is equal to C0 K and V is equal to V0 by K the whole square. So what will happen? This K, 1K and this K will be get cancelled. Only 1K will be available. So C0 V0 squared, C0 V0 squared 1 by 2. So that is energy stored before the dielectric slab is inserted, that is U0. Hence the energy stored after the dielectric slab is inserted is U0 by K. So now you consider the another situation. the same parallel plate capacitor is charged by a battery, but we are not switch off the battery, that is continuously the battery is connected, but we are inserting a dielectric slab between the plates. So in earlier condition, the battery is switched off, then only dielectric slab is inserted. In this condition, the battery is not switched off, it is in the on condition only. Now the dielectric slab is inserted. What is the effect on the changes in the charge and potential difference and everything? So hence the battery is not switched off. There is no change in the potential difference. So it will remain same as before the dielectric slab is inserted as V0. So what is the capacitance? Yes, as it is similar to the previous case, the C is equal to C0 K, that is the capacitance increases K times. Then what about the charge? So in previous case, the charge is remain same. In this case, potential is remain same. But in the previous case, potential is changed. But here, the charge is also changed. So charge increases from Q0 to Q. How we can arrive that? Q is a charge after the dielectric slab is inserted. V is a capacitance after the dielectric slab is inserted, and the potential also the same. So C is equal to C0 K, V is equal to V0, because in this situation V0 is remain same, that does not changes. So C0 into V0 into K. What is the C0 into V0? That is a Q0. So the new charge is K times that of the original charge, that is before the dielectric slab is inserted. So this is the effect of potential difference, capacitance and charges while the battery is connected when the dielectric slab is inserted. Now what is the electric field? So the electric field also remain unchanged, because as the potential is not changed, similarly the electric field also not changed. So that is both are equal, that is V is equal to V0 by D. So V0 by D, which is equal to E0. So after the dielectric slab inserted and before the dielectric slab is inserted, both the electric field are same. So what is the energy stored? Energy stored U is equal to 1 by 2 C V0 squared. C is the capacitance after the C and V are the capacitance and potential difference after the dielectric slab is inserted. So instead of C we have to substitute C0 K and V is equal to V0, because in this case the potential is remain constant and C0 into V0 squared is equal to U0. So the potential energy stored is K times increases. Now here in this session, so far we have discussed what is the effect of dielectrics on various parameters when the battery is disconnected from the capacitor. Here the battery is kept connected across the capacitor. That means the dielectric slab is inserted while the battery is switched off. The dielectric slab is inserted, keeping the battery is connected with the capacitors. We are inserting the dielectric slab. What is the change in charge, potential, electric field, capacitance and energy stored in both the cases? We are just comparing that. So in this case the charges remain constant, but here what is this? This is the dielectric slab is inserted when the battery is on. This is the dielectric slab is inserted when the battery is off. So Q is equal to Q0. Here V is equal to V0 by K, E is equal to E0 by K, C is equal to C0 K, and U is equal to U0 by K. That means the capacitance alone increases, the potential, electric field and internal energies are decreases by dielectric constant times when the dielectric slab is inserted while when the battery is switched off. Similarly, the charge is Q0 and the potential is remain constant. Electric field also the same. There is no change in electric field, and capacitance is increases. Potential energy is also increases. So it is a very, very important comparison. So when the batteries keep on, it is kept on. That is, it is connected with the capacitor, while at the time when the dielectric slab is inserted, what will happen? The charge, capacitance and the internal energy stored all are increases by dielectric constant times. But in this case only the capacitance is increases, remaining all the parameters are decreased by dielectric constant times, but it is exception for charge. So this comparison is very, very important for problem solving point of view and also the NEET JEE questions.